Getting in and out of the car can quietly become one of the hardest parts of the day, especially after surgery with mobility changes or when pain and stiffness set in. Hey, I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, occupational therapist and founder at AskSAMIE, and today I'm sharing one OT trick that makes car transfers safer, smoother, and a lot less exhausting. Okay, this is a car transfer slide sheet. You'll see that this is like a continuous loop. The way you put it in matters, so you want to have the opening for the loop be forward, because once it's in here, you're going to sit down and this is going to slide on top of itself. So once you got it in, sitting this way, you're going to sit down, and as soon as I sit here, it's taking away the friction. I just kind of slid into the seat. So now it makes it a lot easier. My hips are almost all the way in the right spot already. And so now, even if I have trouble with my knee or a little less mobility, I can slip right on in here without any trouble. And that's the difference one simple tool can make. The car transfer slide sheet works with your body instead of against it, reducing effort, protecting healing joints, and restoring confidence when getting in and out of the car. Now, if you found this helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe for more OT approved tips on staying safe and independent at home and on the go. You can find this car transfer slide sheet and other OT reviewed mobility tools at AskSAMIE.com, where we help make everyday tasks easier through smart, practical solutions.